If you want to record screen on Google Pixel 9a, then in order to find the screen recorder, we need to swipe from the top once and then the second time to go to Quick Settings or the Control Center. Now over here in my case, I need to go to the next page in order to find screen recorder. So we can tap on it in order to choose whether we want to record one app, one specific app, or the entire screen. And if you choose to record the entire screen, you can also show touches on screen as well. Besides that, here we can choose what audio we want to record, because we can record device audio, so the sound from your device only, or your microphone only, or both, the device audio and microphone. And then once you are ready, press record screen. You will see the countdown in the top left corner where we have notifications, and there we go. Now you know that we are recording. Once you want to stop recording, we can go back to notifications and we can simply press stop over here. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!